Alrighty guys, today we're going to show you how to restring your Hart 40V trimmer. Not sure if we can do it with the head on it or not, but you want to make sure that this line arrow is matched up with this arrow, of which we're not. And you want to feed your new string through the hole. Now, if you can get it to line up right, she'll come out the other end. I have a feeling we're not going to be able to get it to line up right though. Actually, it's pretty close. But it's not going to line up right. So what we're going to do is we're just going to push in on the tabs, pull it off, and then you're going to shove it through here. There's a little hole down inside of there. Going to get it into that hole, push it on through to the other side. That's not that hard. And you're going to want your two ends here to meet and center your trimmer head where it's nice. All right, with that done, you don't want to move that too much now. You're going to want to shove these through your eyelets, one through each, not both through the same one, and then kind of gently pull it a little bit just to get your button kind of lined back up so you can shove it in. Once she's shoved in there, you can pull the slack out. Make sure you don't get it tangled in there like I just did. But if you do, it's easy fix. Just back her up, turn her a little bit till you get her in there nice and neat. Now, they're lined up. We're just going to set her back on here, snap her in, and then you just rotate your spool, which is going to be a little hard to do. And you want to check to make sure that you're inside of the guard here, of which we are just outside of it on both sides. So one more click. Now we're inside the guard. Inside the guard. That's what's going to cut the line if we go too far. With that, we're ready to go. Bye.